Good morning, America. You guys, we all know about the stress that's going around, and I'm going to be doing the quarantine quickie number 2 today. And thanks to Jerry Kilpatrick over there at Valley Forge when he suggested this. I had a blast doing it yesterday. Uh, Got to put some tools together and show that on number 1. But today is going to be the old vintage tools that we dug out. Grandfathers over 50 plus years hasn't seen daylight and they need cleaned up. And this is good stress relief medicine for me. And I'm out here in the shop today. Some of you guys will be appreciative of some of these older tools, but we thought we'd share, and then hopefully we'll get some comments back, and us trying to help with the stress of this virus. This coronavirus is going to play itself out, we hope, within a couple of 3-4 months. If it doesn't, we'll live with it, and we hope for the best for the United States and other countries as well. I'm going to turn this around. I'm going to try to make these videos short. This being number 2, this is a category for carpentry tools. And we will not probably say vintage because I don't think any of them are over 100 years old. I know they're not. So we're just going to call Grandpa's old tools getting a new life. And you've people out there that are sitting on the couch and watching the media and getting all stressed out, get off your keisters. Let's go. Let's go, America. Let's get out there and share time with family members when we can't go to the Walmarts as frequent as we want to, or can't go to the Costco's, etc., whatever store, or go to the movies or the drive-ins. NASCAR fans, we know that they love to sit in the stands, but let's do things with families and keep our stress level to 0. So that being said, I'm going to turn this around. I made a little poster board, and I want y'all to read it, if you would, and then we'll move on to the tools. But this is nothing fancy. I don't have a fancy camera or anything, but this is number 2, Quarantine Quickie for Bear's Rod Shop. And now cleaning up about 25 tools. We have several boxes that Grandpa's been setting neglected. So we're going to do that as our stress relief. And of course, the best medicine is to get away from the media. That is so depressing. Make things happen. And if you would, join up with us that are doing these Quarantine Quickie movies. And please come back and visit us on YouTube and enjoy. That's what this is about. Taking stress down. That being said, let's move around. We're going to go over here to we're going to go to the floor first because this is the first of about 25 tools of a couple of hundred. And you older carpenters that are you're probably past 65 by now may remember these. I remember these from my grandfather. And they're in an array of rust and repairs needed and even new handles made. And so today we're going to be taking all these tools individually, one by one. And we're going to be using. A few guys that have watched our channel are very familiar with this clean strip acid concrete metal prep. These tools will get addressed and cleaned and rinsed, and then we can start identifying names. Grandpa in like video 1 was a Pexto LS Sterrett Fanatic Brown and Sharp, and then over here. Yes, I've actually watched my grandmother make sausage with this old vintage clamped on her table, kitchen table sausage. And then, of course, I don't have a cast iron, but she had this aluminum fixture for stuffing sausage. That being said, we're going to also, we got hidden underneath here, I picked up a really nice Buffalo 3-ton press. So that would be tool number 25. This is ours. And I picked it up last week, and I'm going to get it refurbished and repainted so then it will look like the pick stove. Probably not the same color, but anyhow, we have plenty to keep us busy, keep our mind off of stress, and I want Americans to do the same. Let's don't stress over this thing. If you've been laid off, I feel for you. We are retired. We have a small little Social Security check, and we get by. We know how to make ends meet. But those that have big mortgage and stuff, we really, really feel for you. So do everything you can to relieve stress, and come back and visit Bear's Rod Shop. We will get back on the CJ5 and the C3 Corvette, but thought today appropriate to end number 2 on a positive note. And anything y'all can share on Quarantine Quickie with YouTube, all of us are going to appreciate it. And needlepoint, whatever you got to do, paint rocks. Enjoy family during these times, and we'll all get through this. And let's support our president. I'm not going to say good or bad about the Democrats or what. We're not even going to say that. But let's support our president. I wouldn't want his job for nothing, and not during these stressful times. So let's all share. We'll do our best, America. You guys cheer up and enjoy family during these times. Come back and see us.